Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every Monday. So stay tuned. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every Monday. So let's just get right into it, guys. Another day, another week, another stinking Tuesday. Another Tuesday, but don't worry, we're just going to hurry up. We're just going to crack this thing out so we can get on with our freaking lives. So let's go ahead and check out what's going on right now, guys. What the heck is going on with our assets? So as you can see, the market is on a downtrend right now. And why is that? Why is the market in a downtrend? I'm gonna go ahead and bring up the old phone here so you guys can see. We're gonna look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin is the one that runs the market right now. So if you guys can see, we're gonna do the all time real quick. So if you guys can see, we just had a massive run. Bitcoin just had a massive freaking run where we got all the way to $73,835 per Bitcoin, which is freaking crazy, guys. Freaking crazy. The new all-time high. So what's going on with the market? Like I told you guys in a previous episode that whenever there's a big run like this, there's always going to be a correction. Always. There's always a correction. So we're going to go back about a month, and that way you guys can see right here. You guys can see what was going on. We were lingering around 50 for a while. Let's go a year. Man, 24,000. You guys were scared back then. You didn't want to invest at 24,000. Now look at it. Guys. Anyway, so we saw this huge rise throughout this year. And, if you check it out here, 27,000, 28, 30, blah, 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 blah. We went all the way up. We went around, let's say we hit 46 grand. There was a little correction. And then we just freaking went parabolic, guys. We went freaking over 30 grand. 30 freaking grand. And here it is at the very end. We're in that correction. If you guys can check it out, if you guys look at that, if you guys go in your Coinbase app and you click on Bitcoin and you go to the 1 year mark, you'll see that we are now in a correction. I'm going to go ahead and go to a month. That way you can see a little more detail of what's going on here. So we hit that 73,000 around the 14th. And then immediately after that, that's when the decline started. That's where we're at right now. We're in this correction. How big the correction's going to be? I don't know. I don't know how big the correction's going to be. What I do know, guys, is that this is the time when you're investing, when there's a correction like this is when you buy. This is when you buy in again. This is called buying the dip, guys. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to buy the freaking dip. So let's just hurry up and do it, guys. Let's hurry up and do it. Let's go ahead and buy the freaking dip. So we are in Bitcoin already. We are going to go ahead, hit that buy button. And we are going to already loaded with USDC. So we're just going to go ahead and select that. You can choose whatever you're going to choose. We're going to go ahead and put our additional $20, guys. We're going to put our additional $20 into Bitcoin. We're going to buy the freaking dip. I'll go ahead and do my little screenshot there. We're going to get $18.51 of Bitcoin. And there it is. There it freaking goes. I'm going to go ahead and view the order here. Yeah, and it's already cleared. It's already cleared. There is our $20 buy. And that's it, guys. That is freaking it. It's that simple. It is that simple, Buying the dip is that freaking simple. And now what we did, what is called a dollar cost average. Dollar cost averaging, I'm going to go ahead and go to my little transaction here. And the last time we bought Bitcoin, if you guys go ahead and check this out, the last time we bought Bitcoin was at 49,329. So now we bought Bitcoin again at $62,051. So if we were to take those two numbers and we were divide it by 2, we would come up with our dollar cost average. We would come up with our average of what we're paying for Bitcoin. So it's going to be a little bit higher than the 42, and then it's going to be a little bit lower than the 62. So the more we invest in Bitcoin, you're going to start taking all those numbers of all your previous investments, and you're going to add them all up, and then you're going to divide it by however many times you invested. And that is how you get your dollar cost average, guys. Oh, they actually do it right here for you. Coinbase does the work. The average price for your purchases, trades, and receives. Receive crypto using fair market value calculated at the time of transfer. So our average right now is at 49,329. Like I said, it's going to be a little bit above 42, but it's going to be a little bit below 62. So that's about right. We're lingering around the 50,000 mark. So that basically sums it up, guys. That sums all this up, all the dollar cost averaging that we were going to talk about today. I didn't even have to do anything. I explained it a little bit, but Coinbase does everything for you. That's a good thing about having this app here. That's a good thing about having Coinbase and them being so established, is that, they do all these things for you, and it's really freaking cool. Similar to like Robinhood and stuff, where you're investing in stocks. They tell you the dividends. They tell you all that good information that you need. Coinbase is very similar. And yeah, guys, that's why they're the most secure. That's why they're the most trusted, because, they're established and they do stuff like this. So that's going to do for today, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below. Do all those things that the YouTubers tell you to do, and we will see you next time. Peace!